We at Vinyl Village Garage take what we do very seriously. Just read my shirt. Anyway, my kids got this for me. I couldn't resist. I think it's actually kind of funny. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out another episode of the old Vinyl Village Garage. This car behind me is a very special car. Some of you might actually know that, who've known me for quite a few years. This is my old black Firebird I've actually had for 20 plus years. First car I ever painted, first car I ever built, first engine, first just about everything. Unfortunately, I was on a very limited budget, just still in high school, had no garage. I actually did all the restoration outdoors in the backyard, so all things considered, it came out great. Now this time around, I'm gonna give it the due justice that it deserves. Build the car the way I wish I could have built it 20 years ago. Having some fun doing it and doing it all in this 2-car garage, staying true to the theme of the old Vinyl Village Garage. Now the other thing that's interesting is I've started my YouTube channel and this car is not done. Unlike the old Transmat Router project, I already had just finished it when I decided to flip the switch for this idea. So I guess check it out, follow along. We'll actually get some, not just the old slideshow, catch you up to speed, but you'll actually get to see the assembly, building, and some of the tips, tricks, techniques that I've used to make these things happen in a garage like this, proving that you could also complete such things in your garage. Thanks again for watching. Check out my quick little show here, and I appreciate your time. And of course, if you like what you see, please subscribe. It helps us out and keeps us going. I guess we're gonna call this the old quick recap just before the old quick little flip through slideshow thing of little videos that get you up to speed. But this is the 494, which you've seen on some maybe the other episodes or in the intro. It is in this car. I guess you could say dream of building such a crazy engine, but absolutely ridiculous for a street application. But I guess you say built it just because. Got the firewall painted, underbody's all done. You'll see that here later on. And of course, coral. Just make sure you don't get let down here. Yes, there will be bricks in the slideshow again. Just wanted to let you know to keep an eye out for them. Now, the inside of the car is completed, all the sheet metal work is done, so unfortunately I won't have any videos on that this go around, but I can guarantee you, follow along, keep watching, you'll see many more things of such, of replacing floors, rockers, and sheet metal work. Is probably some of my favorite workings. And of course, I've had this transmission for nearly 20 years, nice Muncie 4-speed, came out with 68 GTO. I've had my, say, stockpile of parts I wanted to put in this car, so it's finally happening. Now, I did all the sheet metal work. And then of course me, I like to be cheap because, well, I'm not made of money. These quarter panels I got a great deal on, full quarters, AMD stampings, but they were for a Camaro. They're actually cheaper. Some guy didn't want them, and maybe a heck of a deal, but of course modifications required. Removing the fins in the front, made a panel, welded it in, and then of course the side marker lights. I have to have the Firebird side marker lights in this car, so remove the Camaro one, and got the Firebird hole out and keep it right. Get that detail put back in there. And the underbody, all completed and done. Dual 3-inch stainless exhaust all the way out the back. Did upgrade the differential with a better differential cover to keep, hopefully the guts inside that thing, as I maybe lightly finesse the gas pedal a few times, but we'll see how that goes. I guess if it doesn't stay together, another episode of diff change. Now we're into something better. And then his brother's out here, and if you haven't seen the video on this car, check out my channel. Nice little short video of its build, all done in the same 2-car garage, and hope to do as good or if not better this time around on this one. Follow along. Thanks for checking us out. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. Keep me going. I'll have some little how-to videos, how to do body panel alignment probably up here next. But so I guess that kind of gets you a quick up to speed. I've got a little quick little presentation of the pictures, maybe a few little video clips of the assembly of the car at this point. I hope you stick around and see what's coming down the road, but I've got some other projects happening. So thanks again for watching. Enjoy the show and appreciate your time. go ahead and try it again. That's going to finish this episode. I guess the question that comes up next, which one do I finish first? Project Blackbird or the 1939 Ford that needs just a little bit of help? If you could, I guess just send me a message, comments, give me your vote, what's your thoughts, what we should probably finish up next, or plan C, finish the vinyl flooring. Yeah. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time, and then if you could, please hit the old like, subscribe, or send me a message how we're doing, and of course vote on which one's next. And in the meantime, I'll take care of these comments that my little helpers left for me, so I'll have to do something about this sunburn from the car show today. And then the other one, yeah, we'll have to figure that one out too. Thanks again for watching.